Okay, when you hit send, your message does not fly through the air like a magic bird. Instead, it gets chopped into tiny pieces and sent like super-speed mail. Your phone takes your message and cuts it into little snack-sized bites. These bites are called packets. Each packet is like a mini envelope with part of your message inside. Now every packet needs an address, like go to Sarah's phone. And the internet has traffic helpers called routers. Routers are like mail sorters. They look at the address and go, next stop. This way, if you want more Baby Explains where big scary tech becomes easy, then subscribe, like, and comment what I should explain next. Okay, but wait, what if you type a website like catvideos.com? Your phone doesn't magically know where that lives. So it asks the internet's phonebook. That phonebook is called DNS. DNS turns the name into the real number address computers use. Here's the wild part. Packets don't all take the same road. Some go the fast highway, some take side streets. If there's traffic, routers reroute them. So your message arrives like a bunch of friends showing up from different routes. And what if a packet gets lost? No problem. Packets have little "Did you arrive okay?" checks. If a piece doesn't show up, your device says, resend that one. When packets arrive, your device puts them back in order like a puzzle. That's why the message looks normal again, even though it traveled as a bunch of tiny scraps. Also, Wi-Fi is just the first tiny hop from your phone to your router. After that, most of the internet travels through cables, including giant undersea cables on the ocean floor. So yeah, your meme might be swimming, and sometimes your message is put in a locked box so strangers can't peek. That's encryption, like sending mail in a locked safe. Recap: you hit send, it becomes packets. Routers guide them, missing pieces get resent, and your device rebuilds the message. Comment what you want, Baby Explained, next.